what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have done this super easy slicked back braid look that is super cute and you can wear it anywhere. It's perfect for the summer because it keeps you nice and cool and keeps it out of your face and off of your neck. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see how I got this hairstyle today, then keep on watching. Okay, first before I start, I just want to talk about this product I got here. It's the John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum. And so you're supposed to use it right when you get out of the shower, but I haven't yet. I've only used it like on dry hair, but I already noticed that it does help the frizz a lot. And so this is the only product that I've actually used that works the most, I would say. So first I'm gonna start with brushing my hair out. I usually will do any like slick back looks on like day 4 or 5 hair. I'm just going to brush the hair back. So once I get it all slicked back here, I'm gonna be using the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm gonna spray it and then use my boar bristle brush to brush over to really get the hair down. And then just brushing over it. I'll brush over with the brush and then smooth it with my hand. Okay, so I like to do my ponytails pretty low when I'm doing a braid. So I'll usually do to about the top of my earlobe and back, not too high and not too low. So then I'll hold the ponytail in place and then go over with the bristle brush just to really get it secure. Okay, so once I have my ponytail in, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Architect Shine Wax 24-hour hold. I'm just putting this on the little baby hairs I have at the front here because they tend to stick up even with the glue spray. So using this is just going to put the little hairs in place and just make it like 10 times more put together. Okay, so for my braid, because I want it to look very sleek and not puffy like it is right now, I'm gonna be using the Garnier Fructis Ultra Strong Gel. Just a little bit of this just to tame what's going on back here. So just like the tiniest amount. And then I'm just gonna run it over my ponytail. So putting this in is just gonna make it easier for me to do my braid. Okay, so then I'm just gonna braid it. And I like to keep it really tight. So after every like braid, I'll pull it. And then when it gets to about here, when it's getting harder, I'll flip it around the side and then carry on. And I like to usually leave this much out of the braid because I think it looks cute and because my hair will not braid down to the bottom. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I will go over with the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray on the braid a little bit. I do still get flyaways in the braid. Just kind of secure that. I will sometimes bobby pin the pieces here just because my front pieces are shorter, so I sometimes need a bobby pin right back here, but for now it's fine. And throughout the day, sometimes my little baby hairs will start to peek up here, so I'll always just keep this wax with me to just keep pressing it down, but usually it should last all day long. Okay, so that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is the easiest hairstyle ever, and it's perfect for summer because it's off of your face, off of your neck, keeps you nice and cool. So I love wearing this hairstyle. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and let me know down below if you have any other video recommendations for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.